In 2009, the World Health Organization declared mold and other contaminants found in ductless air conditioners were recognized as microbial pollutants, harmful to human life and should be removed. Workplace health and safety legislation also reflects this. But with so many air conditioner cleaning products now in the marketplace, how do you know if the remediation is actually effective in removing the hazard when most of the hazardous pollutants are hidden inside the air conditioner, rendering the Energy Star rating as meaningless? For the unit to be returned to a safe state, it is imperative that all microbial pollutants are removed from throughout the entire unit. Many products are spray on and forget. These products leave the visible surfaces clean, however do not remove the contaminants throughout the airflow pathway. Water pressure cleaners must be able to penetrate through the coil without having excessive pressure to damage the coil. If water does not penetrate through the entire coil, then contaminants have not been removed, but are simply pushed further into the coil and therefore further block the designed airflow. In either case, black wastewater is clearly evident, and the visible surfaces appear clean, at least for the time being. A visible surface clean in this way is often evidenced by a rapid return of microbial pollutants and also the absence of a measurable reduction in energy usage. There are many other specialised tools and practices that HydroKleen use to ensure we remove all the microbial pollutants every time. These are essential to effective remediation of the hazard and have been the result of over 10 years of dedicated research and development. Although many of our competitors around the world have continued to follow our lead for many years, most of these tools and practices are still unique to HydroKleen, and that's why our customers across the world continue to appreciate the HydroKleen system. HydroKleen are the wet wash professionals.